In this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Acrobat for Windows 11 for free, so you can view, print and manage PDFs on your PC or laptop. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. Once you've done that, come across to google.com, and in the Google search box, you just want to search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you've done that, click onto the top result, which will take you to the official website, which is adobe.com, and on here you're going to see the download now button for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Give that a click and that's going to download this onto your PC or laptop, and once that's done, what you can do is use your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type downloads, and then open up your downloads folder, which is going to come up underneath best match. In here you're going to find the setup program for Adobe Acrobat. Double click to start running this, just click yes on the permission that comes up. What that's going to do is go through and install Adobe Acrobat Reader. So once it's installed, it's going to automatically open and it's going to look like this. So what you can do is click open file and you can start opening up PDFs from your PC and start to work and edit your PDFs. So what you can also do is, if you actually close down Adobe Reader and you want to come back to your desktop, from here come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom and type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Now once you open up your settings, if you come over to the left hand side and click onto apps, and in the app section you want to click onto default apps. Now from here you can actually set Adobe to be the default app to open up PDFs on your PC. So if you use the search box here and type Adobe Acrobat should come up, give it a click. What you can then do is choose the file types to automatically open with Adobe Acrobat. Now you can see, for example, a PDF is due to be opened with Firefox. So to change this, just simply give it a click. It's going to ask you to select default app to open up this particular file. Of course, what you would do is click and select Adobe Acrobat and then click set default at the bottom, which means that Adobe Acrobat is now set to automatically open up any specific file types that you select from this list. So that is how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader for Windows 11 for free. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.